I've never seen as many people wait for gas.
Never. They must have been told that there's gas, that they're going to get it no matter what. Otherwise, they should really tell these people after this line there is no gas.
And then these jerks trying to cut in.
Are you videotaping?
Yes, Rocco.